My home has a mouse problem. The property next door has long grass and bushes, and so I've had to work at over the years keeping the mouse problem down to the greatest extent possible, and I do it by using these bait boxes. This one here is pretty expensive, you know. You'll see these outside of grocery stores and so on. This particular type, you can put lots of different bait blocks in it. But rather than do that, I have made my own. So that's next. This one here is one of the older ones I made 3 or 4 years ago. I have to refill these boxes every 3 or 4 months. I keep these wooden boxes sealed by simply using deck screws into the wood. This is my most recent build, 2x4s and lower boards. The dimensions are shown here in the graphic, but I'll also put them down in the description. The wire that leads between the two sides that holds the bait blocks is just a piece of coat hanger cut down to fit. The deck screws that you see at the entrance of each side is just designed there to keep the squirrels and raccoons from reaching through and grabbing the bait. I seal the box by using deck screws to fasten down the lid. So I buy these bait blocks from the local hardware store or off of Amazon. They come with these small indoor use bait stations, but they're difficult to open and they're kind of unnecessary, being as I use the big blocks.